what we're talking about upgrading is saddlebags. So this is my stock saddlebag off the bike, Vivid Black, just standard Harley Davidson saddlebags. I'm going to be replacing them with 5-inch stretch saddlebags from TCMT, packaged very well, nice big box. Both of these were wrapped heavily in foam, and then they're inside this nice, like, pillowcase type bag. So inside here we have a lid. Get this out without banging it all up. So we have the lid to the bag and the new bag itself. So as you can see, it is a 5-inch stretched saddlebag, pre-painted in Vivid Black. Pretty impressed with the paint. I don't see any runs, cracks, or anything, especially where they've pre-drilled holes for the hardware. Now, it did not come with hardware. It did not come with instructions. It did have some new gasket material and the rubber grommets for your mounting pins, and then your rubber inlay things here for grabbing your saddlebag bar. But other than that, I'm going to have to transfer all the hardware from my Harley bag over to these and then to the lid. So not going to do a play-by-play. I might leave the camera running and then kind of speed up some of the footage, but really just wanted to show you the bag. Like I said, pretty impressed with it. It is not pinstriped. I may or may not have it striped later. I don't know. But I'm really anxious to see what they look like on the LMA and see, holding them up to the bike, the paint matches. So really anxious to see what it looks like. I think it's going to give me the look that I'm wanting in the rear of the bike. A little bit of stretch. I just kind of like that look. So let's get this hardware transferred over and we'll see what it looks like on the LMA.